Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Shabbat Shalom. If you're on the Luni solar calendar, Shabbat Shalom. That's the calendar I've been going on lately. I wanted to share something. It's really amazing. I've just been hanging out, reading the writings of Abraham, and without getting into too much detail, just amazing stuff in here, amazing backstory to what we read in our Bibles regarding Abraham, him serving as a shadow of Joseph, actually. But here, Abraham, excuse me, they're making my nose itch. I have to, okay. There's a story where Abraham serves Pharaoh in Egypt for 7 years. And after that 7 years, and how Hagar was really Pharaoh's daughter, all this stuff, the Bible is really just the cliff notes. And I believe this stuff. Anyway, the point of this video is that there is a future prophecy in here, which is really amazing. Now, if you've been following this channel about that order, that ancient order of Enoch, right, that we've been talking about, the Holy Council, the called out assembly, what's in our Bibles as the firstborn church in Hebrews 12:23, I believe. Anyway, the word of the Lord, Yahuwah is talking to Abraham about the coming of the Messiah. He's telling him Moses will come, but he's telling him there's a future prophecy that for the last days, that the return of Elijah will restore the priesthood of the fathers and the organization of that holy order. So this holy order of Enoch, which we've been uncovering and learning about, which, Enoch started this in the natural, but it was really ordained since the foundation of the world. That's my understanding. But it's actually prophesied that the return of Elijah for the last days is called to restore this, bringing the hearts of the fathers to the children and the hearts of the children to the fathers. So here it is. Moreover, in the last days, I'll raise up out of the loins of your heir. This is Yahuwah talking to Abraham. A choice seer, that's Elijah, through whom the fullness of my gospel shall be restored to the earth, and all things shall be restored as in the beginning. Right? That's Elijah. For upon him shall rest the priesthood of the fathers, and he shall commence the organization of that holy order, which was in the beginning of the world, which shall be consummated before the Son of God shall walk upon the earth. Amazing, amazing. This is future prophecy. For those who have the ears to hear, let them hear. Really amazing. All right, I just wanted to share that. Yah bless you. Shabbat Shalom. It's also pretty astounding how this prophecy just happens to be in chapter 77, verse 7. Really amazing. And this really opens a whole new door to the book of the prophet Elijah. I printed out the PDF version, but I'm just really glad I didn't rush to print this out in book form, and I'm choosing to study on this topic more to understand it properly. Really amazing, guys. Really amazing. Okay, Shabbat Shalom, guys. Bye.